Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video for the comparison of the AOLON Watch Curve 3 versus the AOLON Watch Curve. So we will compare the features of or the menus of both wearables. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two smartwatches when it comes to menus and features, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. So we have here the AOLON Watch Curve 3 and the other one is the AOLON Watch Curve. Let's check first the UI or the design before we proceed to the UI. As you can see, we do have here a push button, rectangular button for the sports. You can also change this to other functions. Both do have a rotary crown button. Okay, on top we have the settings here and other options, but more options here is available for our Curve 3. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the other side we have the split screen, and we have the widgets or the components. Okay, to access the main menu, swipe, then tap here on the split screen. For our Curve 3, just press the power button. So both do have a Bluetooth call. We have here the connect. This is for the Bluetooth call with support for contact person, call records, and dial pad. We also have it here for our Curve. We have the daily activity tracking, monitoring the steps, distance, and the calories. Okay, so which has a better UI? We have the sports function, movement pattern. Here it is labeled as exercise. For the sports, 100 sports mode for the Curve, only 16 sports for the Curve 3. I don't know why it's only 16. Very disappointing. When it comes to the sports, the advantage goes for the Watch Curve. We have the exercise record. We have the blood oxygen also, and the heart rate. We have here the heart rate monitoring. Okay, both do have a support for sleep monitoring also and blood oxygen. We also have here the voice assistant, AI voice assistant. Here we have music control. Seems like we don't have a relaxation, but we do have a breath training here. We have a relaxation for the Curve. We have support for push notifications. Additional tools includes alarm, stopwatch. We have it here in the utilities. We have cycle tracking. We also have it here. We have the world clock. We have the calendar. We don't have a world clock here, but we do have a calculator. Yes, we also have here a calculator. The stopwatch. We don't have a games timer. So as you can see here, we have a calendar. We don't have it here, but we have a world clock, and we don't have it here in the Curve 3. So both smartwatch do have a hit and miss for the features. We have games here, only one. We don't have it here. For the settings, so we have the menu style, display. Yes, we also have here the menu view. Okay, 3. Here we also have 3, I think. Settings, display. We have the watch face also, menu view, and wrist rest. Okay. Yeah, also have multiple language support. We don't have an SOS here for the Curve. We have it here on the Curve 3. We also have a bedside lamp mode. We don't have it here. Vibration. So there are a lot of options here, including the option to set the time. For our Curve 3, we also have here a function key customization, this one. More options for our Curve 3, except that the sports function is limited. Again, for the sports, that is the only disadvantage of our Curve 3 compared to our AOLON Watch Curve. More tools here for or more options for the settings for the Curve 3 compared to the AOLON Watch Curve. But when it comes to the sports functions, there's more sports functions for the Watch Curve. We have at least 100 plus. We only have 16 here. Again, let's check. I'm going to show it to you. We have exercise here. So we have mountaineering, badminton. Only have 16 sports. Jump rope, tennis, baseball, golf, volleyball, and that's it. For the Curve 3, we have the swimming here, and we have other categories. So the advantage goes to the AOLON Watch Curve. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the menus and features for the AOLON Watch Curve versus the AOLON Watch Curve 3. If you have any questions regarding the comparison, drop a comment below and support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.